How to connect the cables from the ITOUCH 24 onto the Reflexology Foot Slippers. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take the cables and connect it into the first port, which is A. Second thing you're going to do is take this other side of the cable and connect them onto the slippers. Once they are connected, you're going to put your feet into the slippers. Alright? Once your feet is into the slippers, you're then going to program the unit. So as you can see, it's pumping right into my arm. I can feel the sensation right up past my elbows. It's also feel like it's going right into my bicep, my forearms, strengthening, as well as a very relaxing sensation in my hands as well. As you can see on the slippers, there are 4 different pressure points, which basically allows the blood to circulate more easier up into the body. For those who are familiar with reflexology, they know how important this is. As gravity pulls the blood down, the heart is working twice as hard to get the blood circulating, and the slippers not only relaxes the feet muscles, but also takes pressure off of the heart.